Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's painting, we're going to create a peaceful sunrise landscape with glowing golden light, dark trees, and beautiful reflections on calm water. I'll begin by creating a soft, warm orange color using white, yellow, and a small touch of red. Starting from the center of the canvas, I gently blend this color upward and downward. As I move farther away from the center, I gradually lighten the color to create a soft and glowing transition in the sky. Next, I mix blue with white and a small touch of red to create a cool, muted tone. I apply this color to the upper and lower areas of the canvas, carefully blending it into the warm orange in the center. By gradually lightening the colors and softly blending the edges, I create a peaceful transition between the warm sunrise glow and the cool tones of the sky and water. Now it's time to paint the distant trees. Using a mixture of red, yellow, and a small amount of black, I create a warm, dark brown color. With this mixture, I begin shaping the distant line of trees along the horizon. I keep the trees soft and slightly blurred so they appear far away. As the trees approach the area where the sun is rising, I make them lighter and warmer. This helps create the feeling that the early morning sunlight is beginning to shine through the distant landscape. I also paint their soft reflections beneath them, allowing the dark shapes to extend gently into the water. Since the water is calm, the reflections remain fairly clear, but I keep their edges soft and slightly irregular to make them look natural. Now, just above the distant trees, I paint the bright sun as it rises into the morning sky. First, I softly spread the sunlight outward in a circular shape. Then I gradually make the center brighter, adding more white and yellow to create a warm, glowing sun. Now I bring the sunlight down onto the surface of the water. Using gentle horizontal brushstrokes, I create a glowing reflection beneath the sun. I keep the brightest light close to the center and allow the reflection to become softer and wider as it moves toward the foreground. I also paint warm rays of sunlight passing through the distant trees. For this step, it's important not to overload the brush with paint. Using a small amount of thin paint allows the darker background to remain visible beneath the light. Now I begin working on the trees and bushes in the foreground. I create a darker mixture by combining red, blue, and black. With this deeper color, I start shaping the larger trees and bushes closer to us. These foreground shapes are darker and more defined, creating a beautiful contrast against the bright sunrise behind them. As I paint the trees and bushes, I also add their reflections directly below them. The dark reflections help connect the land to the water and make the scene feel calm and peaceful. After establishing the overall shapes of the trees, I begin adding thin tree trunks between the darker foliage. I use a small brush to paint delicate vertical lines, making some trunks taller and more visible while allowing others to disappear behind the leaves. Using the same dark color, I add small branches and clusters of foliage. I use the corner of the brush and place gentle, repeated strokes close together. These soft brush movements create the natural texture of leaves without making every detail too sharp. Then I continue painting the reflections of these trees in the water. The reflections extend downward and remain darker near the shoreline. I soften and slightly break up some of the shapes so they blend naturally into the surface of the water. These reflections help show just how clear and peaceful the water is. Now I add warm highlights to the upper edges of the bushes. I use colors similar to the golden sunlight and gently touch the areas where the morning light would naturally fall. Next, I begin adding delicate horizontal lines across the water to show its gentle movement. In the warmer sunlit area, I use soft orange and golden strokes. Farther down, where the water reflects more of the cool sky, I add light blue lines. I keep the strokes thin and mostly horizontal, allowing them to follow the natural direction of the water. These subtle lines create the appearance of small, peaceful ripples while preserving the calm, reflective quality of the lake. Finally, I return to the reflection of the sun and add a few brighter highlights. I carefully place small touches of light across the surface of the water, making the golden reflection appear more luminous and alive. I take one final look at the entire painting and add a few finishing details, soft highlights, and subtle shadows wherever they are needed. I hope you enjoyed creating this beautiful sunrise landscape with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this painting inspires you to keep exploring new colors, techniques, and ideas. Until the next painting, take care, keep creating, and I'll see you again soon.